gonna be drawing in my favorite spot. So let's go to this right here. Let's choose one of my papers. And we have a whiteboard in our side, and then I have also one of my stuffies beside me. I'm along with you. There's like a closet behind me, like right here. There you have this. I have balls here too, if I wanted to put it, but I'm just a player, but I still love them very much. I also love to play with them. It's bahala to like the time. Like I sometimes like to play with them if I would have to seem like to play with them. I like Ito. This is my favorite doll, and then this is my favorite doll, and then this, and then you guys. I want you to know that some of the attractive doll. I love you guys. I don't actually know if I can name them because I actually don't know. So let's do the tayo. Kaya dito to the drumming to na guys. Ang dami to ng books dito guys. So yung guys, hi Harvey! Ang aso to guys dito. Nagtatalat. Ayan guys, madami akong memes. Madami to talaga ng manawag. Ay! Ang dami nito guys. So yun o, may weights pa yan. May dalawang sets ng beads. Tapos may markers. Madaming notebooks. Yan, may notebooks to na yan. Tapos dalawang panaaral. Ayan, dami. Dami. So, let's go. Let's tayo dito. Hanggang doon nito. Dito naman sa baba tayo mag-choose tayo. Sorry talhan. Kanya muna tayo. Okay. So, choose tayo. Dalawa. Ganito ang atsura. Ayan, cute tayo. So, ang cute. Ganito ang atsura. Dito pa. Kay Papa guys. Ganito ang atsura. Ganyan siya guys. Help tayo. Yan siya. Para susunod na video. Iba na yung choose to. Alam niyo na pwede ninyo kahit like, niyo. Ito kasama ito guys. Or ito. Parang gusto ko to. Pero hindi ito pa alam. Or ito. Perfect sa drawing guys. Sa drawing value. Ito. Dito alam ano to guys. Pwede yan talaga to. Kaya pwede pa rin yan to. Pantalitan to. Like pan-games natin. Like that picture. Ayan siya. Pwede siya na iba-iba yan. Iba manatulad ito. Kaya tutunin lahat yan. Kasi hindi ata yan i-choose. Ayan. Tapos ito yan. Tapos ito naman guys. Ang cute niya. Parang whiteboard siya. Ganyan yung feeling ko. Parang feeling siya ng papel fold mo. Pero hindi ko naka-fold. I'm actually obsessed with paper. One paper right here. Obsessive. So I'm kind of going with a type of Adanton paper. Parang gawin na yan natin dalawa. Yep. Keep. These are the pass. And if you guys wanted one to be used as a day or as drawings, we got that, and you guys can just say it at the comment section at the end. Now check on this. So that's not sure that's how to hurry up. See? Okay, so I'm gonna do like a Valentine's 14. I'm gonna put date 14. Feb 14, 2026. So, should do that. So, we're gonna do one there. So, I'm thinking like a type of like a Valentine's. So, we're gonna go with the Valentine's flower. Very original, but I'm gonna do with balloons first. So, these balloons are gonna have some hearts. And right there, guys. It's a pretty heart. I really love this part. I like this part. So, I really, yes. If you guys are really trying to find one, this is the perfect spot you guys will find me. And since it's literally my special spot, like my most special favorite spot. Tell you guys, my special spot na tayo pa. Kasi para sa atin may ganyan. Yeah, my special spot naman ako. Ang cute nila. Ayan. Valentine's na lang theme. Walang theme ng Valentine's. Kasi guys, hindi yung Valentine's din. Mas manong New Year days. A Valentine's. We're just making some hearts and so stand up. Ito naman guys. Where's this photo? It's like some guys. This is like the photo on favorite spot. And like the photo of this house. Para sa atin, favorite spot talaga ako. So alam guys, kung alam mo yung branded. It's just my friend has one. It's like in her house. And I literally thought it was so adorable that I wanted to try some. So there, I found my special spot, and then now I got some drums and some colors. Pero siya hindi siya papawis. So, pawis ako trying to get. Tapos na natural. May tissue talaga ako dito guys. Ang talaga ako. Ayan lang. Guys, yun sa baba na yan. Matulog. Yan din sila. Ang tulad ng talaga sila may edge na bago dito. Ganyan. And this. Ito. Dito naman na. So, dito muna siya dahil sa loob. And, gusto ko nakuha ako. So, guys, ayan na isa. Dalawa. Tatlo. So, kaya, gusto din natin ito. So, if you guys are wondering, bakit ako dami na namin sa tissue, it's because I need additional pawis na. Pawis na dito. Yung gawin na pawis na pawis. Yung gawin na pawis na Yan. Kasi dito to siya. Kasi Ayan tayo, pero para sa online, dito ko, ano lang ito gagawin? Yes, naman. Kaya mainita din. Tayo parang ininitan nito. Kaya sa totoo guys, like sa totoo na I'm not really obsessed with this place. So like, totoo is to parang hindi ako obsessed dito. Parang first version niya, hindi. Totoo guys. Kung gusto ko dito, i-choose ang gabi na. Kaya ang gabi na ako. Kaya wag ko na sa gabi. Dapat na I'm study first muna first. Kasi mama ito naman dito. So, ito naman. Pretty cool. Kaya ayusin na natin kasi yan. Bye! See you tomorrow. It's really night. It's my video. Bye.